did the same place, when I did that they eat. When I got they said before that you don't bring your details to me, mama boy. You see this like if you know say you do something, if you know say you do something, thank you for the light, thank you for the love. If you know say you do something, say yes, you really know say you do it. People don't come and come they talk about you. Better keep quiet. If I be you, say really I really do it. Like Mama Gladys now. People will just know they don't give me all details. But I need video. So if they play the video, I'm going to play the record. Like let me tell you do my own. You know, don't think you tell me something. You rush come and say, hey, Mama Gladys, they don't know. I want to see the video. The record, you reach about 6. It's there with me. But I need video, proof. So that if Mama Gladys, they see her, you know if you deny people. You know if you deny anybody where you want to deny. So now make I never talk to Mama Gladys, I never bring the details come. Or everything, person where even know and reach out, after we even they go Nigeria. The young boy where they pray for back of what they call I go listen to the record because I don't want plan now. Until I don't see video. They are gonna know say yes, you go prove juju for me. Now that one they find. Like Mama Boy now, the person where just know her. Mama Gladys issue now. Now small time I can't bring the video come out. Small time. More than your weight. Like Mama Boy now, the person just call me, he say he know her, he talk where the first say, how they say they eat, everything. As Mama Boy they collect the lady, boyfriend. Mama Boy, even at the voice record there yet. The boyfriend come greet her for the city where he and Mama Boy dead. The lady, na lady I call her don't born. You understand? That time we never born. The boy where he dey dead. Mama Boy carry this boy enter house to sleep with her. Very young boy. He tell me everything. Afran tell they stay with her. Afro, but he say he don't know whether Afro sleep with her. See Mama Boy, I'm a friend because
say wahala be like bicycle. Hey, my people, oh. Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Eseyi. You get one video when I just see for Facebook just now. As I dey drive my bicycle, they go now I see the video. Say I felt the video felt the flash. I don't want be listening. But today I can say no, make I listen. Where say voice record dey with am where Mama Boy we all of una know. Which say snatch one woman boyfriend that was like, am I dreaming here? Mama Boy of all people snatch somebody boyfriend. I be say the person not dey. For when Mama Boy we don't reach 50-something years, fit snatch person boyfriend. I be say the world is coming to an end, my people. Abi. Hey. Now wow. Mama Boy we be they snatch somebody boyfriend. Now I be say the world is coming to an end. For when Mama Boy if we collect person boyfriend, I be say area does scatter be that one, my people. I say the thing shockalize me just now. I go put the video more and see. Say Mama Boy snatch somebody boyfriend. Not the way Musa not go see forget my people. Not the way person not go see for this social media. Make I clear una that man put the video more and see. Bye.
Eat. One of that they said before that you don't bring your details to me, Mama Boy. You see this like if you know say you do something, if you know say you do something, thank you for the light, thank you for the love. If you know say you do something, say yes, you really know say you do it. People don't come and come they talk about you. Better keep quiet. If I be you, say really I really do it. Like Mama Gladys now. People will just know they don't give me all details. But I need video. So if I play the video, I'm going to play the record. Like let me tell you do my own. You know, don't think you tell I say, hey, Mama Gladys, no, I want to see the video. The record, you reach about 6, he there with me. But I need video, proof. So that if Mama Gladys, they see her, you know if he deny people. You know if he deny anybody where he want to deny. So now I never talk to Mama Gladys, I never bring the details come. Or everything, person where even know I reach out, after we even go Nigeria. The young boy where they pray for back of what they call I go listen to the record because I don't want to plan now. Until I don't see video. They are gonna know say yes, you go juju for me. Now that one they find. Like Mama Boy now. The person where just know Mama Gladys issue now. Now small time I can't bring the video come out. Small time. More than your weight. Like Mama Boy now, the person just call me, he say no, he talk where the first say, how they take they eat, everything. As Mama Boy to collect the lady, boyfriend. Mama Boy, even at the listen, the voice record there yet. The boyfriend come greet her for the city where he and Mama Boy dead. The lady, I'll call her, don't born. You understand? That time we never born. The boy where is the dead. Mama Boy he carried this boy enter house to sleep with her. Very young boy. He tell me everything. Afran tell they stay with her. Afran, but he say he don't know whether Afran sleep with her. See Mama Boy and Afran because the way your boy, Mama Boy and Afran tell they talk. The way Afran tell they measure Afran, Mama Boy name. You go know say the way they talk to her, you go know say yeah things don't go, still don't stop. You understand? The lady understand because if small pikin that they see small pikin that they see Mama Pekus, you go they call his name. Now wetin dey happen so? You understand? And Mama Boy, if you don't say you do something, enter us bring another topic. Bring another topic, make you go talk. Make you forget the rest. I go play record many. So now today, I go close Mama Boy matter because the call on people where they call me is too much. All of them is too much. So today, I go talk about Mama Boy and I go drop the case today. So I know say I don't talk out. So I don't come up my dear. So now what you want to be this one? So Mama Boy, Lawa enter house because why I say make it enter, she not too old. Leave the fashion, the one where they never old, make they sit there, make you come out. You Mama Gladys, you Mama Boy, Mama Gladys, and who again? I remember his name. Una don't old man a come out. What we see any biaka? Mo kuna leave her for children. I beg. Must you come like video as you say small pikin they insult you? If you don't come out for social media, they're not going to insult you. So they're not going to insult you. So man are listening, man are ligade. According to so man are listening. But Felicia on. But Felicia on. The person that you talk details about Felicia on. Because he don't beg for Felicia. But make them commode the children. What I'm fighting for is the children. I would cannot be in with this. The man, may I talk to the man direct. You understand? So me, I now people record where people information I hear the place so now Mama Boy are they fine. Mama Boy record money, Mama Gladys now war. People many. So now lead you. Now I go play. Now it be this one now.
Useless people. Atrocity. I don't know if you forgive them, they hear the story. No believe man we carry use money go Nigeria go marry woman come.
Now make us send me number.
Forgive her.
Now make us send me if you talk to her, if you say more bring her come, I will bring her come out.
But not to watch those waiting make her come.
This one now Kobe.
But go join society, all those secret court will go join because of the mind.
There many better no one play. No more. This one Akobe. Many people where they don't bring their mortar. I know, okay, no problem. No, it's not a better go play the record because they push even many things there here. What supposed to play, but you see the drum people they come, they say that one they're not going to follow me again. They bring people matter for me. Me, I know they talk. Me, I know they carry you say you tell me something. I can't carry talk for social media. Bring proof, may I see video. You understand? Mama glad this video they come very soon. So this one this one I'm not see Akobe on. I still need proof. So I just want my tell me now the sister they lie. So people they give me some information, many. This one I record, this one not be said that the person don't come out for live video. Many things where they don't call tell me. But I know they won't come out. In case I have more body because of the video you do. So I need proof, I need video. I don't need audio. If I see the video, I go plan. So Mama Gladys now, man, I your way small time I remember. So now Mama boy, I will not see this voice record. Hello. I need to see him. Mama boy. I dey call, I go play. Mama boy voice record day here. I prove the day.
This woman, Mama Gladys is not brother with
Okay. That one na information of Mama Gladys. Now be that one. The video they come very soon. So I know what play make they know the person voice.
Felicia is something where era there or mortuary or my very era. Yeah. If I share the right in front of Funago, you
I know that anything now you make up this one. This one is stupid.
Look at very era. Network in network in when that okay, when you say that way, if Felicia you understand?
Why are you? Where go you? Mama, I want to be here. They understand. I never Felicia him now. You and now. Last year. And would that better way, maybe we like video you know the time would that I don't know every year boy you understand. Okay, would that better me maybe we like video here, now we're not calling me, near you or my call, man, you never have got a number there. Have you not even the bad me here only. Me here only. Okay, yeah, okay, problem me, and I will call this video. But ije boy ma bege video, you tell me ye video, boy, we imami no bag, no call him, eh. Emake no ye. Okay, yeah, yeah. Where's I really appreciate. Call you. Okay, my people, I will still repeat the video again, this live video. This woman will come, na person will like me. You understand? Say na your best friend. Now I go tell you say your teeth they smell. And like what I said talk, since last 2 weeks, now they bring mama boy matter to me. Different one record. So if you say I even got mistake, go play mama Gladys own self. But that one I need proof. You understand? The person say if I want the plaque come out, may I put earpiece. He say because mama Gladys go know his voice, he go know her. So I don't want plan. I go put her but make he give me the video. Then I go bring the video, I no go bring the record. I go use the record for earpiece. As mama boy own be so. I think